Yes, my people, welcome to another Smiler in the City walking tour. We're at Salt Lake Gate in Birmingham and we're going towards Alum Rock. So stay with me and see what we're doing today.
Light to change, walk across.
And as you can see, guys, we are here with the DMAC 4K World Tour.
Every time.
Yes.
Yes.
And we're checking out Alum Rock.
Yeah. Right. So Alum Rock. We have a lot of Indians around this area. Here.
Yes, a lot of Asians in Asian shops.
Okay.
Yes.
We can go.
Alum Rock is quite a busy place. Lots of takeaways, lots of shops.
Okay.
So come with us and you can see what we're seeing. There's a sign over there, guys, say Salt Lake Gates. Just behind that bus, just over there, said Salt Lake Gates. And this is Alum Rock.
Alum Rock, right?
Yes, that's correct, yes. And it's a very, very busy road,
Yeah.
very busy.
Indian stores over here.
Yeah.
You want the 40 calorie and that's Indian and Asian. Not Asian
Lots of grocery shops. Yes.
Oh no, don't say I'm gonna come in the picture.
No, no. Look, it's not fake.
What's the recording for?
It's just my YouTube channel.
Alright, what's your YouTube channel? I'm gonna check it tonight.
You want to check my YouTube channel? You want to check my YouTube channel, but you don't want to be on my video. You can be on my video.
No.
No.
No, please.
No, all right.
What's the YouTube channel?
The YouTube channel is a Smiler in the City.
Smiler in the city.
Right?
Check it tonight.
Shall I show you? Let me show you. Let me show you.
I just don't want all my family to see.
No. No, we're not going to show you on my channel, but we'll show you the channel. There you are. Smile in the City.
Let me just take
Yeah, sure.
I can search it tonight.
Okay?
Thank you.
And subscribe to the channel.
I will.
All right, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Busy at work?
Trying to be.
Yes, a young lady just asked me about my channel. She said she'll subscribe to the channel, but she didn't want to be in my video. But she do watch. She does watch YouTube channels. Oh look. Alum Rock Road in Birmingham. Lots of fruits, melon, pineapples, apples, mangoes, cabbages, everything. And
It's a big supermarket right here.
yes, it's a very big market, indoor market.
They have this stuff all over the place.
Yes, yeah, these
You know,
snow like slush.
such thing, yeah.
They call them snow cones.
Yeah,
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes. Yeah.
That's what the guy did. In the weekend, it's more busy now.
Yes, it get very busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alum Rock Road in Birmingham.
Yes, man. What's up?
Sorry, I was going to go over on the other side.
You want to go over there?
Yeah. Lots of takeaway shops. Alum Rock Road in Birmingham. Hamba.
Because you went to
Mr. Whippet. Mr. Softy. This is Headman Road. It's a very, very busy road. Alum Rock Road, very busy. And it doesn't matter what day of the week you come here, it's always going to be very busy. If you want to comment on Alum Rock Road, guys, just drop a comment in the comment section. Yeah, tell us what you know. If you live in the area, tell us what's it like in the area. Alum Rock Road. These are artificial flowers. How you doing? All right.
Hi.
Good, good.
You're recording the thing?
Yes. I'm doing a YouTube. Yes. Everybody's on YouTube these days. Business good?
Yeah.
Okay. And these are all the stuff what they used to make the smoothies, mangoes, apples, bananas, and the beetroot.
Everything.
Yes, anything. Very good. What's the best one?
Mixed juices or milkshakes, mango one.
Mango. Okay. And how much is one?
T-bun.
Okay, when I come back I'll get one. Okay? Right. Watermelon, beetroot, and carrots. That's right, yeah.
Ice in there.
Yeah.
Ice because it is warm. Yeah. Full. Yeah.
Kami kayo nas bala.
Barber shop.
Excuse me. Are you recording, sorry?
Sorry?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Am I in there? Can you...
No, you're not in there. No, you're not in there.
Thank you.
Right guys, this is the top of Alum Rock Road, and we've just come to the end of this this walking tour. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now. Watermelon, beetroot, and carrots. That's right, yeah.
Ice in there.
Yeah.
Ice because it is warm. Yeah. Full. Yeah.